All right, the question of the day is, can we get a puppy, Ryan?
Yeah, no kidding. Well, Lynn Cardis is in, the owner-operator of Four Paws Limited out in Leduc. It's a dog grooming, well, I guess it's a full-service salon, isn't it, Lynn? You've got a kennel there and a whole dog behavior center and everything.
That's exactly
so
right.
So you are the expert, and you have brought in this beautiful specimen. This is Quinn.
Thank you. This is Quinn. We actually bred Quinn ourselves 4 years ago, so he's well used to being up on the grooming table. As you can see, there's an awful lot of coat for us here to deal with.
Yeah, no kidding, Lynn. And we know a lot of people that deal with long-haired dogs are probably having fits trying to find the best way to maintain it and keep that coat looking good and keep it from getting all knotted up in between visits to the doggy salon. So you're here to tell us how we can do it ourselves at home. What's the first step?
The very first and the most important thing that you can do, Ryan, actually is to train your dog right from the very, very beginning to actually behave well when they go to the grooming shop.
Okay.
To actually enjoy the whole grooming process. When you have this much hair to deal with, it's a really, really, really big deal.
So, Lynn, if someone's going to set something up like this at home to try to keep the dog looking good, what would a suggestion be to keep their pup nice and calm while you want to get started on doing the work?
So you start off literally the first day that you bring them home, so 8 weeks old. Do it in very, very small bursts. Don't overwhelm the dog when you actually do it. Have something like this, like a comb, like a small comb, and what you actually have to do is you have to use the comb and get right down to the skin. It's really important that you get all of that undercoat out.
Okay.
You can also use a variety of different tools that we have, a brush. You'll actually find that over time the dogs will really, really, really enjoy it, and also it's a really great bonding experience for you and your animal as well.
They start to see the grooming process as almost something that they enjoy.
Exactly, it really is, and also it gives you more access to your pet. It allows you to notice any abnormalities with your pet, you know, any skin conditions, if the dog is not feeling right, any lumps and bumps you actually get to feel because you become very intimately aware of your animal.
Okay, well, now I know we have a Chihuahua in our extended family who absolutely hates having her nails clipped. What about when it comes to nails, to teeth, to ears? How do you keep the animal calm, and what should you be looking for in maintaining that at home?
Exactly the same thing. What you have to do, and this is key, when the minute that you actually get your puppy, can't stress this enough, start handling them. Get as many people as you possibly can to handle them. And I'll demonstrate, Ryan. The first exercise that you should do is actually get your pet to feel very comfortable with you picking up his paw, so that you can actually touch it, you can have a look at his nails, actually get it so that you can actually look at his teeth, you can actually open his mouth.
Now, what are you looking for with the teeth?
What we're actually looking for is a buildup of tartar on the teeth themselves. When you can actually see that nice white color, that is actually perfectly fine.
He's so remarkably calm, isn't he?
Ears, exactly the same thing. We'd pick up the ear, we'd have a look inside the ear, see if we can see a nice clean ear canal. We'd have a smell to see if there's any undue odor. If not, perfectly fine. Obviously, regular cleaning as well.
Good stuff. We want to welcome in right now Dr. Jennifer Stelfox. We have a little bit of time left. Come on in, Doctor, a veterinarian and the president of the Animal Cancer Therapy Subsidization Society. Is that right? Did I just sort of got that out? Otherwise known as ACTSS. And
Yes.
Jennifer, we've got an event coming up that's going to benefit your group and the help that you provide for animals and pet owners as well.
Exactly. What we have coming up is our 11th annual dog wash. And all the funds generated from that go to help pets that have cancer whose owners can't afford to have them treated. So we step in and we make sure they get the cancer treatments they need to save their lives. And we have 6 Edmonton groomers, 1 Leduc groomer, 3 Calgary groomers, and 3 Red Deer groomers, all grooming dogs and turning over the profits to ACTSS.
All right, there you have it. And what a great initiative at various locations. We've got them all listed at breakfasttelevision.ca. Just click on Inside BT. We want to thank both of you for being here, Jennifer and Lynn. And hey, Quinn as well, who did just a great job. Good stuff. Thank you so much for joining us. It sure goes to show that once you have the animals conditioned, you can sure keep them nice and calm through the process, can't you? Michelle, when it comes to taking a look at traffic, I have a feeling that Quinn here could probably stop traffic on Jasper Avenue if we took him outside.
No kidding here. We have word from the traffic center. We're dealing with